fast you think that boat's going? Like for real, it's moving pretty fast, but how fast you think it's going? It's a big boat.
30.
About 30 miles an hour? You think about 30? I don't know what's boat term in speed. But it's moving. That's a big boat.
That little kid's head off the window.
Oh, that good. They pulled up real fast because they must live close.
Yeah,
He stuck his head out there.
oh, this is something
Oh, God,
kids like to do. Oh my god, how adorable.
It's a giant boat! he came in hot. My man came in hot for the kids. Yeah, I love it. That is a big ass boat though. Watch, they're gonna grow up to be one of them what's it, engineer. I don't know what they call it for boats. You can drive that big ass boat. And people come down here to look at the boats or the giant boat.